how to use photo templates on TikTok. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to use photo templates on TikTok. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your TikTok app, and this is where you will get on your For You page. So first of all, make sure to update TikTok so that you have the latest version. You will log in and this is where you will get, and I will click on this plus button at the bottom. So we'll create a new TikTok and I'll show you how to use a template. Once you open up your TikTok camera, you can see at the bottom we have the camera option. Like below your button right here, record button, we have camera. And then we have templates next to the camera option. So I'm going to switch to templates. It will take me to the photo templates available on TikTok, which is a new feature and it's really cool. It allows us to create professional, really cool videos within seconds. All we have to do is we just upload the photos and the music, everything, the timing, everything is done by TikTok. It's a template, it's a pre-made template. So we can get a preview before we create a video. For example, this one right here. So they're asking me to upload 1 to 6 photos. You can actually check each template has an information. This one looks really cool. Upload 1 to 4 photos with a subject. All right, so I'm gonna click on upload photos and select 4 photos. So I have selected 4 photos to add to my template. There you go, my video has been created. So this is how you create photo videos with a template. Let me actually show you. It also has a music. This is how you use photo templates on TikTok. Now click on next and upload your video that you created. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.